rugged versatility, better visibility. Digitize your business with accuracy with the BRADY V4500 Barcode Scanner. Pen, paper, and manual entry lead to costly errors. The V4500 can transform your inventory and work-in-process management. This rugged scanner goes where you go, designed to take every hit or hazard your facility can dole out with a wireless charge that lasts all shift and then some. Conquer tiny barcodes and hard-to-read surfaces with high-performance, multi-directional scanning. Get to your first scan fast. The V4500 is ready right out of the box, or our simple setup tool enables advanced operation with just one configuration code. Strong, reliable Bluetooth easily connects to the cloud and your ERP system, setting you up for future growth. Get full control and visibility as goods enter and exit your facilities. The V4500's screen and keyboard allows you to change settings right on the scanner and customize which barcodes you need to scan. The dynamic interface helps you verify the accuracy of shipments and show users their scan process, preventing rework and downstream costs. Powerful data parsing gives you more from every scan, sorting and arranging data exactly how you want. Recreate existing barcodes, or even combine multiple scans into one smarter label. All possible with seamless connections to BRADY printing solutions and high-performance labels. Quick to set up, easy to use, rugged for all. Transform your workflows with the BRADY V4500.